We are studying chapter management of natural resources, and in our previous class we continued with the topic water. And water, as it is a natural resource, and we can say it is the most important natural resource which is necessary for the survival of life on the earth's surface. Why water is essential for living organisms? Because it is necessary for all the metabolic activities taking place in the living organisms. And if we talk about the other uses, then water is used for various household practices, and it is used in industries also. It is used for irrigation of crops, and it is the life of all the aquatic organisms. So we can say that water has unlimited uses. And now if we talk about the availability, this earth is covered, the 75% of the earth's surface is covered with water. But then we talk that this water is not potable, means not fit for drinking. Potable water which is present on the earth, that is very limited. We can say only 1% of the water is potable, that is fit for drinking. Then we talked about the dams. What are the dams? Dams are the large places or spaces made for collection of water. So these dams, they help in controlling floods, and that water can be used for generation of electricity, as well as it can be used for the irrigation of crops. But these construction of dams, they have some other side effects also. And whenever the construction of dams is done, the people living around that area, they are promised a lot. उनको बहुत सारे promises किए जाते हैं. Many of the comforts promises are given कि आप लोगों को ये facilities मिलेंगी, ये facilities मिलेंगी. But when in actual the construction of dams takes place, then the people become discontented because they do not get the promised benefits, and that's why they always oppose for the construction of dams. So in the previous chapter also we talked about the construction of large dams. Now dams, for example, on the river Ganga, Tehri Dam has been constructed, and the people are opposing for the construction of this. Then Narmada Bachao Andolan, in actual what is there? The government is thinking about raising the height of Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is the dam which is on Narmada, river Narmada, and the people are opposing this. Why? Because there are many of the issues related with the construction of dams. First is the social problem. Whenever dams are constructed, the land of the people living around that area are acquired. उनकी जो ज़मीन है उसको गवर्नमेंट जो है वो एक्वायर करती है. And because of that, many of the peasants जो farmers हैं and the tribals, they have to be shifted to other place. उनको दूसरी जगह पर जाना पड़ता है, and they do not get proper compensation and rehabilitation for that. और जब उन्हें दूसरे प्लेस पर लैंड अलॉट की जाती है, तो उन्हें ना तो उसका पूरा जो है अमाउंट मिलता, means they do not get the compensation, and even they do not get the proper habilitation, means they do not get the proper place to live also. So these are the problems related, we can say social problems, जहाँ पे people जो हैं उन्हें displace किया जाता है for the construction of dams. Then second problem is economic problems, because these dams, they are large, huge in size, so lot of money is required, and that is the public money, because that is of the money of the government. So we do not get that much of benefit as its expenditure is there. जितना उसके ऊपर expenditure किया for the construction of dam, that amount of benefit is not derived. So this is the economic problem related with the construction of dams. And third is environmental problems, as because when the dams are constructed, water is stored, and that water is allowed to fall at from the great heights. So what are the losses? When that water falls from the great height, large number of aquatic organisms and even fishes, they die, because the temperature of the water increases, and because of that increase in temperature, aquatic organisms are not able to survive. And the second is that whenever these dams are constructed, deforestation is done, removal of the trees is done, and that the importance of trees, importance of forest, we have talked that they are the Forests are the lungs of the earth because they provide oxygen. So there are environmental problems because they cause damage to the biological diversity. How? Because deforestation takes place, and even the aquatic organisms, they are also not able to survive at that high temperature. Because when electricity is made from water, hydroelectricity, कहाँ बनती हैं? डैम्स पर बनाई जाती हैं. सो वहाँ पर जब वाटर को हाइट से फॉल करवाते हैं, टर्बाइंस रोटेट करती हैं एंड देन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज जनरेटेड. सो वेयर एट दैट प्लेस इंक्रीज इन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ वाटर टेक्स प्लेस, एंड दैट इज नॉट फिट फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ aquatic organisms. So the people who have been displaced by all these projects, and they are largely poor tribals, क्योंकि जो आसपास के remote और forest areas में रह रहे हैं, they are poor people and they do not get that much of benefit, and their lands and their forests, they are also removed. Means they have to give their lands also, और forest जो हैं उनका deforestation हो रहा है. So because of all these problems, social, economic and environmental problems, people oppose the construction of dams. Then if we talk about the outseas of Tava Dam built in 1970s are still fighting for the benefits they were promised. Means in 1970 this dam was built, और अब तक वहाँ के लोगों को जो है प्रॉपर जो बेनिफिट के लिए उन्हें प्रॉमिस किया था, दे हैव नॉट गॉट दैट बेनिफिट. सो दिस इज़ द मेन इशू जहाँ पर पीपल क्या करते हैं, दे ओपोज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम. Next topic is water harvesting. Just we talked that water is most important natural resource and it is necessary for survival. So what is necessary? That it should be available to all organisms. So what should be done? If we talk about the India, it is mainly dependent on rain. So what should be there? The rainwater should be collected. So this is known as a water harvesting, so that all living organisms and even the water table विच इज़ प्रेजेंट बिलो द अर्थ, ज़मीन के नीचे जो वाटर टेबल है वो भी क्या होती रहे, रिन्यू होती रहे, एंड ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स गेट प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. फॉर दैट व्हाट इज़ नेसेसरी? वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग इज़ नेसेसरी. हार्वेस्टिंग मीन्स कलेक्शन ऑफ वाटर. सो दिस watershed management, it has scientific role. It helps in conservation of soil also as well as water. Why? Because when rainwater harvesting is done, in actual what happens when rain comes, water falls on the land, and along with the flow of that water, the uppermost fertile layer of the soil, that is also eroded. क्योंकि जब water flow करके जाता है, जो soil का upper layer है वो भी क्या हो जाता है, remove हो जाता है. So what is necessary for water harvesting? जो है what benefits it will provide? It will help in conservation of soil as well as water. And what will be the benefits? If soil is fertile, if water is adequate, then there will be increase in the biomass प्रोडक्शन. वॉट इज़ बायोमास? लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स प्रेजेंट. अगर अच्छी सी सॉयल है, वाटर अच्छा है, प्लांट्स विल ग्रो, एंड इफ द फूड्स आर अवेलेबल देन एनिमल्स विल ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाई. सो देर विल बी इंक्रीज इन द बायोमास. सो what is the aim? That the primary resources of land and water to produce the secondary resources of plants and animals. Here water and soil, they are the primary resources, and because as these resources are used by the plants and animals, so they are the secondary resources, and in this way there will be balance in the ecological system, or ecological balance will be there. Now this watershed management, it will not only increase the production and income, but it will also stop the droughts and floods. What will be there? Because droughts का reason क्या है? Because जब water cycle disturb हो जाती है, when water is not evaporated from the earth's surface, then there are droughts. And what are the reasons of floods? When trees are not there, loose soil is there. So what happens? That flow of water, that occurs to the floods. जब भी हैवी रेनफॉल हो जाएगी, ट्रीज़ नहीं है, वाटर को जो सॉयल है वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पाएगी, और वो वाटर फ्लो हो करके इट विल एंटर इनटू द रेजिडेंशियल एरिया. सो दीज आर द फ्लड्स. इफ़ we are able to harvest the water in a proper way, then other problems like droughts and floods, they will also be in the control, and there will be increase द लाइफ ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम डैम एंड रिजर्वियर्स. सो जो डैम्स हैं और जो वाटर रिजर्वियर्स हैं वहाँ पर भी क्या होगा, वाटर का प्रॉपर कलेक्शन हो जाएगा. Now, for this rainwater harvesting and to aware the people about the importance of water, various organizations are working and various ancient systems have been rejuvenating. Like in the, if we talk about the previous days, तो what the people used to do, जो पॉन्ड्स बना देते थे या वेल्स में जो है वो रेन वाटर कलेक्ट हो जाता था. सो अगेन वेरियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर वर्किंग ऑन द सेम थिंग टू रिजुविनेट दिस rain water harvesting systems. So now what these communities, they have used hundreds of indigenous water saving methods. बहुत if we talk about 100 years back, जब वाटर को जो है कंजर्व करने के लिए जो टेक्निक्स अडॉप्ट की जा रही थी, वही सेम टेक्निक्स को जो है पीपल अब दोबारा से अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं. लाइक डग स्मॉल पिट्स एंड लेक्स, गड्ढे खोद देना, पुट इन प्लेस सिंपल वाटर शेड सिस्टम, built small earthen dams, constructed dikes, sand and limestone reservoir, set up rooftop water collecting units. So these are the different ways in which rainwater can be collected. Set up rooftop water collecting units. What is done? In this, suppose the floor is cemented or the roof is cemented. What happens when the rain will come? Water will fall on the roof, and from that roof the whole water is comes down from a पाइप. इस तरह का मैनेजमेंट किया जाता है कि सारी रूफ का वाटर एक पाइप में आ गया, एंड दैट पाइप इज़ अलाउड टू फॉल इन द डिच. एक नीचे जो है एक सीमेंटेड गड्ढा खोद दिया जाता है, वाटर एंटर्स इन दैट डिच, एंड देन दैट वाटर which is collected during rainy season, it can be used for watering the plants or for cleaning the floor or for washing the cars. This is rainwater harvesting in cities. And if we talk about the rainwater harvesting in villages, so what can be done? Ditches can be made, and in that rainwater can be collected, and that rainwater can be used for irrigation purposes. Whenever you go to this Salasar or towards Rajasthan, you might see some of the ditches in the fields. लोगों ने क्या कर रखे हैं, अपने खेतों के अंदर गड्ढे बना रखे हैं और वो सीमेंटेड कर रखे हैं. जब रेन आती है, वाटर उसमें कलेक्ट होता है, देन दे कवर दैट दोज सिस्टम, और उसको कवर करने के बाद में दे यूज़ दैट वाटर फॉर इवन ड्रिंकिंग पर्पज, आफ्टर प्यूरिफाइंग और फॉर इरीगेटिंग द क्रॉप्स. सो दीज आर दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन डाइक्स, देन सैंड एंड लाइमस्टोन रिजर्वर, ये सीमेंटेड जो हैं गड्ढे होंगे. देन वी कैन अर्दन डैम्स, then pits and lakes. These are the various ways of collecting rain water. और अगर हम हिस्ट्री की बात करें तो जो है हिस्ट्री में भी ओल्ड एज कंसेप्ट की बात करें इंडिया में, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो रेन वाटर वॉज कलेक्टेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ खादिन्स, टैंक्स एंड नाडीज़ इन राजस्थान. यानी कि वहाँ लोगों ने अपनी लोकल लैंग्वेज में बहुत पुराने समय में भी रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का जो टेक्निक है उसे अडॉप्ट कर रखा था. एंड द वाटर विच वॉज कलेक्टेड इन वेरियस दिस सिस्टम्स लाइक खादिन्स, टैंक्स, अपनी लोकल लैंग्वेज में उन्होंने ये नाम दे रखे थे. बंधारा, देन ताल्स इन महाराष्ट्र, बंधीज इन मध्य प्रदेश एंड उत्तर प्रदेश, आहार्स एंड पाइन्स इन बिहार, कुल्स इन हिमाचल प्रदेश, पोन्ड्स इन कंडी बेल्ट ऑफ जम्मू रीजन. यानी एक तरह का पोंड जहाँ पर वाटर कलेक्ट किया जाता था, और उसे उन्होंने अपनी लोकल लैंग्वेज में डिफरेंट नेम्स दे रखे थे. देन सुरंगम्स इन केरला, काटाज इन कर्नाटका. दीज आर द सम एंशियंट वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग टेक्निक्स एंड दे आर स्टिल यूज्ड. लेकिन यहाँ पर अब क्या हो गया है, नेम चेंज हो गया है, स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हो गए हैं. Now this rain water harvesting technique, it is locally specific. जो बेनिफिट्स हैं वो लोकलाइज्ड हैं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नीड ऑफ द पीपल, कि वहाँ के एरिया के लोगों को किस तरह की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सपोज एरिया इज़ रेन फेड, पानी जो है बारिश बहुत कम आती है, रेन वाटर जो वाटर लेवल है दैट इज़ वेरी लो, सो दैट वाटर पीपल यूज़ फॉर ड्रिंकिंग पर्पज ऑल्सो. इफ़ दे हैव सफिशिएंट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, then this water can be used for irrigating the crops. So we can say the use of this water is locally specific है वहाँ के लोगों के लिए. And in this way जो मिसमैनेजमेंट है वाटर बॉडीज़ का, वाटर रिसोर्सेज का, that is also controlled, and over exploitation of the resources also removed.